Hi, my name is Kristen Rossetti, and I'm the Conservation Coordinator for Jarrett Daniels Lab at the Florida Museum of Natural History.
My name is Matt Standridge, and I work in the Daniels Lab at the Florida Museum.
We devise different kinds of experiments in urban and suburban environments to study what pollinators are there and what we might do to increase their numbers.
Collections are very important for the work that we do. It allows us to look into the past to find out where these bugs have been and where they might be today. Once we know these locations, that's where we can start looking, and that's going to give us our best bet in finding them. Once we do find them, we bring them back up to Gainesville, where we have a breeding program to try and make more. When we have more, we can take them back down to South Florida, and using the data in collections, we can figure out where the best places to release them might be.
So what are pollinators anyway? When you think of a pollinator, you probably think of a bumblebee. But did you know that Florida has over 300 native species of bees? Many of them don't look like the bee that you think of when a bee comes to mind. There are also lots and lots of other creatures that pollinate. Birds, butterflies, bats, beetles, flies, moths, all of these creatures can be pollinators. Unfortunately, worldwide, the number of pollinators are decreasing. Why? Mostly because of habitat loss. When we build our homes and businesses and roads, the land that we use for those things is taking away from natural environments where pollinators might be. Widespread use of pesticides also contributes to the decline of pollinators. Why are pollinators important? Why care about pollinators? Well, 3/4 of the world's flowering plants rely on pollinators in order to set fruit and produce seed, including over 35% of the food that we eat. Beyond the services that they provide, pollinators are incredibly beautiful and fascinating, and just interesting to watch. The diversity of them, the colors, the activities that they go around and do, it's very interesting to watch pollinators.
So one of the easiest ways to find pollinators outdoors is look for either host plants, which are the plants that the insects will lay their eggs on, that their larvae will eat, or also anywhere there's an abundance of nectar plants. Where there are flowers, you will almost certainly find pollinators. So one of the best ways to get a good clear picture of a pollinator is to approach it slowly while it's feeding. Those are some of the best times where you'll actually be able to approach it. And again, no fast movements, and just take your time. It can definitely be frustrating to try and take a picture of such a fast-moving organism. Also, early in the mornings and in the evenings, when the temperatures are cool, insects generally move a little bit slower. So that's another good tip for getting up close to them.